Sorry, what I'm using to record these doesn't have pause, and one of my kids needed me. Okay, so we figured out theta was pi over 6. If we look at the original problem, negative 2 root 3 minus 2i, you're in quadrant 3. So what actual angle are you looking at in this case? 7 pi over 6. Okay, so we found our r, we found our theta. So now we're going to take this and we're going to write it in the form of r to the n cis n theta. So here we go. So remember, we're just going to rewrite this. I can take it one step at a time. We're going to have 4 as our r, and then it's cosine of 7 pi over 6 plus I sine of 7 pi over 6. And again, we're just taking the standard form and rewriting it. It's to the 5th because that's what they asked. So now using our theorem, it's r to the n, so that's 4 to the 5th. And then we're just doing cosine of 5 because that's your n theta. So your n theta plus I sine of n is 5, and then theta. Okay, so 4 to the 5th gives you 1024. All right, and then you're looking at 35 pi over 6, right? If I do that out, so we're looking at, I'll just do it shorthand here, cis of 35 pi over 6. So 35 pi over 6, where's that going to land you? Quadrant 4. Yeah. Okay, so if I evaluate this, I have 1024. And then the cosine at right in quadrant 4 there, that's going to be root 3 over 2. And then plus my sine is going to be actually a negative 1/2. All right. So 1024 times root 3 over 2, that's going to be 512 root 3 minus 512i. And that is your answer to this problem.